To hide files on your Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, you will need to open a Motorola folder or just find Moto Secure app on your smartphone device. And next step is to select the secure folder right here. If you don't have it set up, I recommend to watch my video on how to set up secure folder for this specific device. Here, when we have our secure folder, we can click on this plus button and add specific files that we want to hide. For example, this screenshot right here, we want to move it. If you decide to copy it, it will remain in gallery, but will also appear right here in the secure folder. If you decide to move it, then it will be straight moved to that secure folder and won't appear in your gallery. So we just moved that one screenshot and we'll be able to access it with the files right here. And if I go back and try to open the gallery, actually it's in the photos probably, so let's open a photos or files, whatever. And as you can see in the images, this screenshot is gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.